Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the perimeter and area of rectangles. Let's get started. First, let's talk about rectangles. A rectangle is a four-sided shape where opposite sides are parallel and have equal length. This means the two sides that are across from each other are always the same length, and the two other sides are also the same length. A rectangle also has four corners, and each of those corners is a right angle. That's 90 degrees. Now, did you know that a square is actually a special type of rectangle? In a square, all four sides are the same length, but it still follows the same rules as a rectangle. Opposite sides are parallel, and the corners are right angles. So, every square is a rectangle, but not every rectangle is a square. Now, let's talk about perimeter. The perimeter is the total distance around the outside of a shape. To find the perimeter of a rectangle, we add up the lengths of all four sides. You can use two different formulas for perimeter. The first one is perimeter equals length plus width plus length plus width. This means you add the length, L, and width, W, then add them again for the other two sides. But there's a simpler version of the formula. Perimeter equals 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. This means you multiply the length by 2 and the width by 2, then add those together. Let's try an example with a rectangle that has a length of 7 units and a width of 5 units. Now, let's calculate the perimeter using both formulas. Using the first formula, perimeter equals 7 plus 5 plus 7 plus 5 equals 24. So, the perimeter of the rectangle is 24 units. Using the second formula, perimeter equals 2 times 7 plus 2 times 5 equals 14 plus 10 equals 24. So, the perimeter of the rectangle is 24 units as well. Next, let's look at area. The area tells us how much space is inside a shape. To find the area of a rectangle, we multiply the length by the width. Here's the formula. Area equals length times width. For our rectangle with a length of 7 units and a width of 5 units, we multiply. 7 times 5 equals 35. This means the area of the rectangle is 35 square units. So remember, to find the perimeter of a rectangle, you can either add up all four sides using perimeter equals length plus width plus length plus width, or use the formula perimeter equals 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. And to find the area, you simply multiply the length and width together. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious and stay fresh.